also want to jump off that a little bit more as well, because I think we're also entering an age where rote memorization isn't really a valuable skill to have because information is readily available at the tip of your fingers. And of course, not for everything. Like if you're going to be a nurse, yeah, I really want you to know how to get my blood pressure without having to look it up on your phone. But I will say that there are going to be a lot of spaces where the ability to just regurgitate like facts isn't really the skill anymore. And again, going back to like our responsibility toward like as institutions is that our responsibility as educators is to make sure that students are prepared for the workforce in both hard skills and soft skills. And nowadays, and maybe in the past, memorization was important, but now we're working on more of that critical thinking skills. And I'm like keeping an eye on the chat because people are making such fantastic points. And I really want to highlight some of these is that it's really important to know the material and it's really important, but that critical thinking is so incredibly important. And AI can support with that if people are taught how to use it properly, right? Again, if we don't give them the how-to manual, their students, faculty aren't going to use it appropriately. But when we give them those tools and we give them those supports, we are like supporting, especially again, my work with neurodivergent students, we're supporting executive functioning deficits like nobody's business if we can give them a how-to manual on here's how you can use AI so that you don't have to go to the tutor every single Friday to make sure that your weekly plans are being supported. Like you can say, "Hey, this prompt was confusing. Can you explain it to me in a different way?" And giving them those tools and resources is excellent.